I'm Nathan Mallamace. Ran for Central Committee for Republicans, and I ran specifically because I'm really tired of actually what's going on in terms of California, and I've talked to a lot of people, and people know that things need to change. And so one of the reasons why I put my name on a ballot and I spent the time to do this was because if you're only talking about it, nothing gets done. So I need to be out there actually doing something. And so doing that also is something that I enjoy passionately. So having the opportunity to go and meet with people, talk about my political beliefs, that really, it allowed me to find people that shared similar beliefs, and it was worth it all the way. The things that concern me about California right now is that we don't have enough balance in our state leadership. So if you look at the Sacramento, and what's actually happening is that there's this very big, not even divide, it's just one-sided. And so when that comes about, what a lot of people need to understand, especially Democrats, is that there's only one, you're only getting one side of the picture. And so anything two-dimensional is not the full picture. We're not getting the leadership that we need in California. So what Republicans bring and what I really believe in is that we need to have a stronger Republican voice that's going to allow us to get across a message. Whether it's the best message, an okay message, it almost doesn't matter as much as that we need to have a message. And then there needs to be some way that we talk about and we communicate with people. And one of the ways of doing that is through grassroots efforts like we've been doing. And so talking with people, messaging out to people are looking for that. And that's not just Republicans, it's independents, and I dare say even Democrats too. One of the things about volunteering is that it's however much you want to put into it. And as I found out, volunteering can be almost this endless pit of time, but it's super rewarding. And in fact, actually, the team that we found really has been showing this extra level of gratitude for volunteering. And I think that is by itself, it's surprising, to be quite honest, because you do things for your political beliefs, and it almost doesn't feel like a lot of time, but you put a little bit in what you're building as skills. So I'll give you an example. One of the volunteering opportunities is phone banking. And so it's not meant for everybody, I'll tell you. There's certain skills that we have that, for example, are just things that we normally do every day. So for myself, I work in like a sales environment, so I'm on the phone quite a bit. And so I love doing the phone calls. You may have somebody who needs to lose like 5 or 10 extra pounds and they're losing weight right now. Well, go out and walk. Like that's just something that you may be doing anyways. So volunteering is really what you make of it. And so I found actually the kinds of things that no matter what your interests are and what you want to do, there's always something there to do with your time that's going to make a difference as well.